Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify and prepare income reports for taxes, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Shopify account, first, log into your Shopify admin. Next, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, click on the payments option. Under the payments page, find the section labeled Shopify Payments. Click on View Payouts to see your available funds. Select the specific payout you wish to withdraw. Once you are in the Payouts detail view, check for the amount you want to withdraw. Next, click on the Transfer Funds button to initiate the withdrawal process. Follow the prompts to confirm your withdrawal, and choose your preferred method for receiving the funds. After confirming, wait for the transaction to process. Now that your funds are on their way, it's time to prepare your income reports for taxes. Start by gathering all necessary sales data from your Shopify account. In the Shopify admin panel, click on the Analytics tab on the left sidebar. From there, select the Reports option to view sales reports. Identify the date range for the income report you need. Download the sales report in your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Ensure that you also account for expenses, which include transaction fees, shipping costs, and any other business-related expenses. Create a separate document or spreadsheet to record all your income and expenses. Calculate your total income by summing up all sales for the reporting period. Then, subtract your total expenses from your total income to determine your net income. If using accounting software, import your sales report and expenses to automate calculations. Lastly, consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance with local tax laws. Keeping records organized throughout the year will simplify the tax filing process. Now you are prepared to accurately report your income and manage your Shopify withdrawals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.